Pomegranate has a great ability to help with weight loss, specifically the elimination of the fat accumulated around the stomach, or what is known as belly fat, which is a major problem, especially for women, as it eliminates the dream of a healthy, harmonious body that they dream of. The benefits of pomegranate for weight loss are varied, as there are benefits to pomegranate seeds, benefits to pomegranate juice, and benefits to pomegranate tea, and even benefits to pomegranate peel, as well as the components of the pomegranate itself that can help in different ways to lose weight. Before learning about the amazing benefits of pomegranate juice for weight loss, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will always be notified when we upload a new video. Benefits of pomegranate juice for weight loss. Pomegranate juice is a great alternative to unhealthy sugary drinks. Drinking a cup of pomegranate juice a day helps you to consume fewer calories with high nutritional value. Pomegranate juice is used to treat obesity, as some research indicates that pomegranates contain antioxidants and polyphenols, which are the secret behind its effectiveness in fighting obesity. Pomegranate juice also helps lower blood cholesterol and improve heart health. Make sure that there is no artificial sugars in the pomegranate juice, as this increases the number of calories in the juice. You should consult your doctor before starting to consume pomegranate juice as part of your diet, as you may have an allergy to eating it. Benefits of pomegranate tea for weight loss. Pomegranate tea is made by brewing powdered pomegranate seeds or its flowers, or it can be made by adding some concentrated pomegranate juice to a cup of tea, which adds a slightly tart taste to the tea that some prefer. Pomegranate tea is one of the most important metabolism stimulants, as it helps increase the rate of fat burning, and its results usually appear 2 weeks after eating it. Pomegranate peel for slimming. Pomegranate peel is one of the parts which many people are unaware of, but it has many benefits. It is rich in antioxidants that protect the body from many diseases and tumors. And it is also rich in polyphenols. Studies have shown that eating foods that contain polyphenols effectively helps increase the efficiency of the metabolism, and it helps burn fat faster, and thus weight loss. Do you want to lose 3 kilograms of weight per week? Here is a recipe to make pomegranate juice for that purpose. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, the peel of 2 pomegranates, 1 tablespoon of green tea, and a cup of boiling water. To prepare it, grind pomegranate peel well and add it to a cup of boiling water along with ginger and green tea. Leave the ingredients for 10 minutes to soak well. Drink a cup of this juice in the morning before eating breakfast, another cup before lunch, and another before dinner. You will notice quickly the amazing results in a few days. Due to the many benefits of pomegranate, you must make sure to include it in your diet in order to enjoy these benefits and protect your body from exposure to health problems and eliminate many diseases, as well as contribute to losing body weight. If you liked this video, please click like and write your comments and opinions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.